Welcome to the 365 channel English conversation video series. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Want to walk there?
It's not far.
Do you need help?
I got it, thanks.
Is it cold outside?
You need a jacket.
Where's your phone?
Charging upstairs.
Can I call now?
Sure, go ahead.
You like pancakes?
Especially with syrup.
Do we need gas?
We're almost empty.
Did you eat yet?
Just finished.
Do you like pizza?
Who doesn't?
Can I sit here?
It's free.
Do you know him?
I've seen him around.
Can you fix this?
I'll try my best.
What's the weather?
Looks like rain.
Can we stop here?
Just for a minute.
Do you like cats?
I love all animals.
Are you new here?
Moved in yesterday.
Can I borrow that?
Be careful with it.
Where are we now?
2 blocks away.
Want to watch TV?
What's on?
Is the food spicy?
Just a little kick.
Can I join you?
Of course.
Do you need water?
Yes, I'm thirsty.
Are you from here?
Born and raised.
What time is it?
Almost noon.
Are you tired?
A little sleepy.
What's in the bag?
Just groceries.
Can I come in?
The door's open.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Is this your seat?
Nope, over there.
Want a ride home?
That'd be nice.
Do you like books?
I read often.
Do you play music?
I play guitar.
Are you hungry?
Starving.
What time's dinner?
Around 7.
Can I open it?
Go for it.
Do you like rain?
It's relaxing.
Where's your car?
Around the corner.
Do you like tea?
Green tea's my favorite.
Is that a gift?
For my sister.
Can you dance?
Not really.
Did you hear that?
What was it?
Are we late again?
Just 5 minutes.
Do you eat meat?
Only chicken.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
Want to come in?
For a bit.
How's your day?
Pretty good.
You like sushi?
Love it.
Can you cook?
A little.
Is this the line?
Yeah, We're waiting.
Got any gum?
Just one left.
Do you like dogs?
I have two.
Did you sleep well?
Like a baby.
Can you help me?
What's wrong?
Are you sure?
Totally.
What's your plan?
No plan yet.
Can I text you?
Anytime.
Want some juice?
Yes, please.
Is this new?
Just bought it.
Do you like coffee?
Every morning.
You finished it?
Just now.
Are you free today?
After 5.
Do you swim?
At the gym.
Where's the bus stop?
Across the street.
Can I drive?
Maybe next time.
What's your name?
I'm Mia.
Are you okay?
Just tired.
Did you enjoy it?
Very much.
Do you like art?
I love painting.
Are we close?
Just one block.
Can I pay now?
Cash or card?
You ready yet?
Almost.
Is this your pen?
Not mine.
Do you wear a watch?
Only at work.
Do you like cooking?
It relaxes me.
What's that smell?
Popcorn.
Did you hear news?
About what?
Can I join late?
Sure, no problem.